If you're involved in a road traffic accident in Germany, the usual steps are: 1. Secure the scene. Turn on hazard lights. Put on a reflective vest before leaving the vehicle. Place a warning triangle, about 50 meters behind the e-vehicle on inside towns/cities, urban roads. About 100 meters on outside built-up areas, rural roads, Landstraßen. About 150 to 400 on autobahns, motorways, depending on visibility and road conditions. 2. Check for injuries. Call 112 immediately if anyone is injured or there is any danger. Provide first aid if you can. 3. Call the police when necessary. Call 110 if someone is injured. There is significant damage. A driver appears intoxicated. The other party refuses to provide details. A foreign vehicle is involved and there is a dispute about fault. Property such as guardrails, signs, or parked cars is damaged. For minor accidents with no injuries and both parties cooperating, police attendance is often not required. 4. Exchange information. Collect name and address of all drivers, vehicle registration numbers, insurance company and policy details, names and contact details of witnesses. Do not admit fault at the scene. 5. Document everything. Take photos of vehicle damage, position of vehicles, road markings, signs, and surroundings, skid marks and debris. Write down date and time, location, weather and road conditions. 6. Complete a European accident statement. Optional but recommended. Many drivers keep a European accident report, Europäischer Unfallbericht, in the car. Both parties fill it out and sign it. 7. Notify your insurance company. Contact your insurer as soon as possible, usually within a few days. Check your policy conditions. Provide photos. Accident report. Police report number, if police attended. 8. If you're not at fault, you may choose an independent expert, Sachverständiger, for significant damage. The at-fault party's insurance generally covers repair costs, towing, rental car costs, where applicable, and sometimes legal fees. Important things not to do. Do not leave the accident scene before exchanging information. Leaving can be considered hit and run, Unfallflucht, a criminal offense in Germany. Do not sign documents you do not understand. Do not admit responsibility at the scene. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more informative videos and useful tips about life in Germany.